Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to get desktop icons such as this PC in Windows 10. So let's get started. Click on this Windows icon on the lower left corner of Windows 10 and type themes and related settings. Click on these themes and related settings. Here click on desktop icon settings. Then click on computer to get this PC on desktop. Also, let's click on users file to get the users files folder on the desktop. Click on apply and click on OK. That's it. We can just close this window now. Here we can see this PC icon on the desktop and the users folder icon on the desktop. Okay, with this simple trick, we can get the desktop icon on Windows 10. That's it for this short video. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the other videos. Till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.